Hey everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share another project with you for the Gingerbread Christmas collab that I'm in for 2020, hosted by Poetspice, who's Jamie on YouTube. I'll have everybody's links down below, all the fabulous collaborators. So today I wanted to share some crocheted items. Now I have seen some fabulous fall ones that I am dying to do. I need to pick up some orange and brown yarn. And I might do that next week so I can crochet some fall items as well. So a friend of mine sent me a link on a crocheted candy cane, and oh my gosh, I just had to, okay, come on, I had to try this out. Bear with me, my computer is acting up. I don't know why that is. It's driving me crazy. Come on, close. Okay, so here is my candy cane. Isn't that cute? It has sparkly ribbon, and all it is a really simple crocheting. If you know how to chain and double crochet, you'll make this easily. So I made a red and white one. I added some ribbon for my stash, and I bought this holly, I guess, from Hobby Lobby when they're having their 40% off sale. So I made a red one, and if you're interested, I'll link down the videos for my project down below for everybody to try out because it's so much fun to make. So I made a red and white one, and I made two of those because I am a fool. I love making them. And it seems like they're different sizes. I don't know why. But I think the more you twist it, you can make it, it gets longer and bigger, and it's just so pretty. So I did two red ones, and then I did a green one. This one doesn't have any sparkle in the yarn, but it's still pretty nonetheless. I added some more ribbon from my stash. I'm using up what I have. As I laugh about that because I have tons. So I did a green one. So I did two green ones actually. And you could use these as ornaments, like they're tended to. But you could also put this on packaging, on gift package, all kinds. So you don't have to use it as a ornament. And then I saw another video that I wanted to try. Okay, I had bought some rings from Hobby Lobby. It's in their Sewology line, and these are just plastic rings, and they always have these on sale, 50% off, like every other week, I think. So I bought some really small ones, but they were too small for the project that I wanted to do. So I think this is like a 1.5 ring. And so I made these. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. So I'll have the video down below. Again, simple. The green is a double crochet into, around the loop, and then this decorative edging is, I think it's a single crochet, chain 2, and a single crochet in the same stitch. So very, very simple, guys. Oh my gosh. I mean, if I can do it, I'm not a crocheter by all means. I do simple things. Simple, simple, simple things. I can crochet, you know, a little bit, not too much, but these two projects are so simple for beginners, it's not even funny. So I added a different ribbon from my stash, and the same holly leaves, and then I just added some flat back pearls from my stash. Now you could use a French knot if you know how to do a French knot, which I didn't want to attempt to do it. I think I could try if I practiced it, but you know, anyway, I saw my flat back pearls and I'm like, oh, that is just easy enough. I just glued it on, not a problem. You could sew some beads, and I had some here that I was going to do from Hobby Lobby, and I cheated. I just glued down um, the flat back pearls. It was a lot easier for me. So I did that one. I did 2. So I think these could be added on packaging so easily as just a cute little embellishment for Christmas this year. So that is my projects for this week. Let's see if I can put them all in the frame there. Candy canes and wreaths. So thanks everybody for watching, commenting. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll have many more videos to come. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.